Real estate refers to property consisting of land and anything permanently attached to it, such as buildings, homes, and natural resources like water, minerals, and crops. It is a key sector of the economy and involves the buying, selling, renting, or leasing of properties for residential, commercial, or industrial use. Here are the basics. Types of real estate. First, residential real estate. It includes single family homes, apartments, condominiums, townhouses, and vacation homes. The primary use is for living purposes. Second, commercial real estate. It involves properties used for business activities like office buildings, retail spaces, hotels, and shopping malls. The goal is to generate profit through rental income or business operations. Third, industrial real estate. Properties like warehouses, factories, and distribution centers used for manufacturing, storage, and logistics. Fourth, land. Vacant or undeveloped land, agricultural land, and farms. This can include investment properties bought for future development or raw land. The key terms are real estate agent, broker, professionals who help facilitate transactions between buyers and sellers. Mortgage, a loan used to purchase real estate with the property itself serving as collateral. Appraisal, the process of determining the market value of a property. Equity, the difference between the market value of a property and the outstanding mortgage balance. Lease, a contract where one party agrees to rent property from another for a specific period. Now let's discuss some ways to invest in real estate. First, direct ownership, buying physical property to rent, sell, or develop. Second, real estate investment trusts, companies that own and operate income producing real estate. Investors can buy shares much like stocks. 3. Real estate crowdfunding. A group of investors pools money to invest in large scale real estate projects. Market factors. Real estate markets are influenced by factors such as location, supply and demand, interest rates, economic conditions. Real estate can be a lucrative investment due to potential for appreciation, rental income, and tax benefits, but it also comes with risks like market fluctuations, property maintenance, and vacancy issues.